scaling the current sprint boards. We have already scaled the sprint planning boards for the individual Scrum teams. Now we are going to scale the current sprint board. The current sprint board is with respect to the sprint under execution. We need to have a look at those boards as well as we proceed with respect to our execution for the CIPSA backlog or the CIPSA sprint backlog. So here we are in the Team B sprint planning sheet view. Again, I'll go to the task board under View tab, Task Views, and go to More Views. There I am going to choose first the current sprint planning board. So I'll go to current sprint planning board here and copy it. Now here I am going to change the name and say it as Team A current sprint board. Our screen is task board. Below that we have current sprint filter, which is the default one. I am going to change it to Team A current sprint filter. So I'll scroll down and say Team A current sprints filter. This also I want to show it in the menu because we can see immediately what is happening with respect to the current sprint for the individual sprints. And I'm going to say OK. Now it got added, Team A current sprint board. Next, again I'm going to copy this Team A current sprint board and I'm going to create for Team B. So here I'm going to remove the copy part, make it as Team B and say it is Team B current sprint planning filter. And I'm going to say OK. Again, ensure show in menu is enabled. I'll say OK. So it is now added. Take B, Team B current sprint board, and we are going to have a copy of it. So I'll say Team B will have for C. The filter will be Team C current sprint filter, and I'll say OK. So we now have all these views available for A, B and C. Next we can take any one of them and see whether it is really working. So I'll take say Team A current sprint board and I'll apply. I just double clicked on it, so automatically it got applied. So as you can see, the name has got changed to Team A current sprint board, and the status that we have is not started, next up, in progress, done. These are the workflow states we have. It is exactly similar to the current sprint board. The current sprint board will be like this, going to the sprint tool, sprint, and here it is current sprint board. So it is current sprint board. We have next up, in progress, done, and it is with respect to the current sprint for the entire CIPSA team. For the individual CIPSA teams, you have to go to the individual team boards. So for that, let us go for now Team B current sprint board. So A, then you have B. I'll take Team B current sprint board. This will be for Team B or the Scrum Team B. That is how we are going to track the items with respect to individual Scrum teams.